Building with Papa. All right, we're going to build this fireplace.
Okay, we're going to put this fireplace together. It's called Real Flame. Vivid Flame Grand Series. This one box. This is the frame that goes all the way, the frame, and there's two boxes for this. Okay, so we're going to start. See what they have here. I've opened this up already and taken a look at it because I had to build everything for this fireplace and needed all the different measurements. But here's all the different blocks. Well, I'm going to start opening it up and put it together. Okay, I got all the nuts and bolts out. H, C, bunch of washers, E. I know I saw D in there. Here's extra spare threaded nuts. And you're going to need a Phillips tip. I like using my battery screw gun. And your torsion bits and Allen keys. All right, let's start putting it together. Okay, now we have everything out for the frame, all the different pieces. All the pieces have numbers on them. If you go through the instructions, you'll know which number is which, but it's all pretty self-explanatory because of the angles and things of that sort. That's the top, these are the sides, that's the bottom of the back, that's the top of the inside frame. It's this one, and then this frame goes inside of it. All right, let's put it together. Okay, this is the back side. If you couldn't see it clearly, there's the bottom piece. You see all the arrows point up, but it's really obvious because of all the angles. You know that's the top. This one here goes up. Now you have to put these in here. Might have been easier to do it when it was on the ground before, but it's not a big deal. Okay.
Okay, as you can see, I put the right side up, and because of the angles, you'll be able to tell the two brown pieces, and you screw them in, and then you have to put these blocks in, which are going to carry the ones going across the top. So what I did is I did both the left and the right ends first, and put the piece in the middle, the black piece that holds them together so that they could stand there while I put these blocks on. These blocks are what actually holds the top piece running across, and don't tighten them all the way, just snug them up, because if you see any gaps, you need to move it till you can get them where there are no light gaps, and then tighten it up all the way. So first, just get them a little snug, and then you'll tighten them up afterwards, because you'll find that you are going to have to manipulate them a little bit to keep any light gaps from coming through. All right, as you can see, that's the left side, or actually I'm in the back, so I'm calling it the left, but that's really the right side if you're looking at the face. Remember, do not tighten them all the way. You are going to have to manipulate it.
Okay, I had to loosen this one up and move it so I could slide this piece in. And with all of them in at the same time, it wouldn't slide in, so I had to loosen this up. Just put all these snugly until you can finally get all the lines correct that you need. Okay, you can see we have a gap here, and look down from the other side. What you'll do is loosen these 5 screws. Okay, I already loosened. Then push it so that the gap goes away. Get these 2 tightened first. Then the gap is gone. All right, this is the tipping device. And then this will go screw into that. Let me grab that. Very nice. That's it, huh? Okay.